Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Aumotop Cordless Portable Pressure Washer, 6-in-1 Nozzle Electric High Power Washer, 2 Rechargeable Battery Powered. Handheld Power Cleaner Water Gun. Why you choose Aumotop Cordless Portable Pressure Washer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. High-powered motor. The portable pressure washer with a 300-watt motor, max 430 psi water pressure, and the flow rate is 10 liter per minute. Powerful enough for efficient and fast cleaning. It also has a temperature protection function with automatic shutdown for over-temperature and overload, which can eliminate safety hazards. Various nozzle. The car portable high-pressure washer equipped with 6-in-1 nozzles. Change and adjust different water outlet modes by rotating the nozzle. Also equipped with 4 interchangeable spray nozzles, as well as foam spray cans to meet your different needs. Easy to use. Self-priming / faucet, 2 kinds of water intake, more convenient to take water. Easy to install, all interfaces are quickly plugged in and installed. 5 meters hose with filter basket, can effectively filter impurities, particles, waste leaves, silt, and more. You can easily get water from bucket / lake / river / faucet. This cordless high-pressure water gun is more portable than traditional small high-pressure cleaners. Rechargeable batteries. Equipped with 2 removable 18,000 mAh high-capacity batteries, continuous output, easy car wash, refuses to lose power, embarrassment, single battery life up to 25 minutes. The body is made of special material, waterproof, water and electricity isolation safer. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.